Hello world, I am Anmol Choksy and this is my CS50 AI project on traffic. I just start it up. Right, so what traffic is essentially is it has a data set of various images that show various traffic signs, and it uses a convolutional neural network that goes through the entire data set with the labels, and when giving a testing data set, it tells us which sign is associated with what name. So now here the data has been loaded, and now we are training the convolution neural network for 10 epochs. It essentially used two layers, quantity layers and two max pooling layers. So that is one quantity, one max pooling, followed by another quantity, another max pooling, both having some 32 filters and a 3 by 3 kernel size. After this, after flattening, there is also a hidden layer, a hidden dense layer with 128 size, and there's a dropout of 0.25%. So now we can see that the model is being trained, and as we can see it initially with random weights, it started with an accuracy of only 0.3. However, as when the epochs increased, the model started learning more and more, and the accuracy has increased to 0.9 from all the way from 0.3 region, and this is the last epoch where the accuracy is roughly around coming out to be 0.93, 0.94, yeah, so 0.93, and now it will be tested. And let us see the. So this is again on the GT SRB dataset, and here it is tested, and we can see that the testing result was 93.7%. And the model has also been saved to the model file. So yes, this every time I'm running this will generate some slightly different results because the data is being taken randomly for training and testing. But however, the results are in the same range of 93 to 95%. So yeah, this was all. Thank you for watching. This was CS50.